Hey guys, my name is Wes Gaddis, and I just thought I'd hop on here and introduce myself. I'm 46 years old. I grew up in Arkansas, but I've lived in Colorado since 1998. And what I just want to come on here today and see is how can I help you? Are you, one, looking to generate more leads, signups, and sales in your current company? Or are you looking for a new opportunity? Do you have experience in the network marketing field, or is this something that is totally brand new to you and you have no idea what network marketing is, how to uh, go about building your business? I'd love to help you and get to know you, share some thoughts and ideas, and bounce some ideas back and forth. So reach out to me, send me a message, and we'll get you going. Thanks. God bless. Have a great day. Again, this is Wes Gaddis.